Hello and welcome back, everyone, to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of making money online. Whether you're looking for some extra income or a full-time online business, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven methods to make money online, so let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancers offer their skills and services to clients across the globe. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or social media expert, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you to potential clients. Remember to showcase your portfolio and always deliver high-quality work to build a solid reputation. Number 2. Online courses. Sharing your expertise is a great way to earn money online. Consider creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Whether it's teaching a language, coding, or marketing strategies, there's a demand for knowledge, and you can profit from it. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic opportunity to earn online. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale, you can turn your website or social media presence into a passive income stream. Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are popular affiliate programs to start with. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular business model where you sell products to customers without holding any inventory. When it comes to using ads for dropshipping, the goal is to attract potential customers to your online store and convert them into paying customers. You can use websites like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google to promote your products. Number 5. Content creation. If you're passionate about creating content, consider becoming a YouTuber, podcaster, or blogger. With engaging and valuable content, you can attract a large audience. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or by selling digital products like ebooks or merchandise. Number 6. Remote work. Many companies now offer remote work opportunities, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home or anywhere with an internet connection. Websites like Remote.co and FlexJobs list various remote job openings in different industries. Number 7. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, why not sell your images online? Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload and sell your photos to a global audience, earning royalties with each download. Number 8. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be an easy way to make some extra cash. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer rewards for sharing your opinions and participating in market research studies. Number 9. Virtual assistant services. Businesses and entrepreneurs often seek virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks. If you're well organized and can manage emails, scheduling, and data entry efficiently, you can find opportunities on sites like Zirtual and Time at Sea. Number 10. E-commerce and Etsy. Finally, if you're skilled in crafting or have unique products to sell, platforms like Etsy provide an excellent marketplace for creative entrepreneurs to showcase and sell their creations to a global audience. And there you have it, 10 proven methods to make money online. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn. Start with 1 or 2 methods that resonate with you and gradually expand your online ventures. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.